Now we need the hands. So for hands, we'll open this piece. We'll open two pieces and then we'll make one from those two pieces so that the hands are thicker and stay properly, like this, like this. Then we fold it back to form a triangular piece. Press it properly since it's the thicker one. We'll do one more. Making so many triangular pieces requires a lot of patience, definitely, but once they are done and you fit them to form the final model really looks good. So from here you have two white pieces at the center and you leave this one piece and you can put this hand something like this in this hole. Try to fit it properly and press it. This is how it looks. Similarly, you put on the other side, you leave one blue piece and this is the place we need to put this piece. So you make some space . And this is how it looks. Shape it properly again. Alright, now we need to make the legs. So for legs we need this orange piece. So what you can do is get a pen and you can press it over here like this. Making it look like a leg. So here you need to press it basically here at this point. Like this. This is how it looks. Fit it properly. Like this, and let me do it properly. Alright, this is how it looks. Slightly bulge it so that it looks good, and then you stick this in this at this place. Like this. Similarly, you put another leg this side. 1 2, and this is the place. So 1 2 3, this is the place. You can stick the legs like this. Alright, now let's put the mouth. So for the mouth, I'll use one orange piece. I'll open it up and let's cut this from the center. So fold it till the half and let's cut it from the center. And now we'll make a square. So we'll fold one triangle like this and then we'll cut the rest of the part. Alright, so you fold it like this, you get a triangle. Similarly, you do it on other side like this. So you get one more crease, forms an X, and then rotate your page and fold it from the center and open it. So this gives a shape like this. This is how it looks. Let's stick these openings over here, the left and right openings. Press it tightly so that it sticks properly. Put very less amount of glue, otherwise it becomes messy. Alright, so you have this beak ready. Open it like this. Now we stick this beak at this point. In the center over here, like this. So let's get some glue and let's stick it. I think this went slightly bad. Let me just fix it. Yeah, this looks better. So we'll apply some glue. Put it at the corners and also at this point. And then we stick it like this. And now we use these beads for the eyes. So we put one over here, and one exactly leaving two on this side, like this. Press it properly and then we'll stick it. So put some glue at this point and at this point. Press it properly and let it dry up a bit, otherwise it gets removed. So this is the final model of our penguin. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, comment your views about this video, and most important, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest updates. This is Vishal, thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care guys.